Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we have a detailed video here to show you how to use a multi-lift long travel unit, dock mounted, to get a user out of a boat and into a wheelchair. This is a detailed video, so there's lots of other videos in the notes field down below. You'll definitely want to check those out to get a bigger sense of how the system works and what it can do for you. So our first step here, since we're already in the sling, we're going to bring the lift around. We've already positioned the lift appropriate for what we're trying to do here. We generally do the leg tabs first. Put those to the center. Great thing about the multi-lift is as the boat's moving, it is designed to move up, down. For example, if the boat pitches up, the lift will actually not crush. There's a little handle right in the back here. Help you maneuver the person up and out. So because there are multiple joints, now this is a deck mount. Because there are multiple joints there, they're going to move around, so you just have to make sure that you put them where you need them to be. So the user is very safe. I'm going to push the lift out of the way, and I'm going to step up onto the dock. Once we get into the right position above the wheelchair, we're going to raise. Position right over the wheelchair. Now, if we want to get the user in a nice vertical position, we're going to grab that handy little handle in the back, put a little bit of upward pressure to roll those hips where they need to be. So that it's nice and comfortable. Remove the sling, move the lift out of the way, and we're ready to hit the road. The sling, of course, is removable if you don't want to have the sling in place in the wheelchair. And in this particular one, the combo sling has a little bit of a bulb in the back there, so you may want to remove that afterward unless you plan on going right over the other side and into the dock, which you will see in another video that we're about to show you. There are other videos in the notes field down below that will show you how to get into the driver's position as well as into the rear of the boat. We encourage you to take a look at these, and we thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video and learn about a new option for mobility. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, please check us out on Facebook and like us at facebook.com/accessun. We're on YouTube with over 4,000 videos at youtube.com/accessun. You can follow us on Twitter at AccessUN. We're on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, two words. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com, or pick up the phone and give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. That's country code 1 Eastern Standard Time in the United States. And we're evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.